Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Bird droppings are the only O&M problem that most asset managers have literally laughed at until they see the aggregated annual revenue number. What looks like a minor mess on one panel becomes a real financial issue when it repeats across a site, a portfolio, and an entire year. Individually, droppings look trivial. At scale, localized soiling from bird activity causes hotspots, mismatch losses, and, in persistent cases, cell damage. That's why this issue deserves more than a quick visual check. A single dropping may not seem worth dispatching a crew for, but a pattern of localized soiling can quietly drain production over time. The real question is whether your current cleaning approach is financially rational. Without a financial lens, the decision usually gets made by instinct. And instinct is a poor substitute for revenue data. This is where ClearSpot agents change the conversation. They detect dropping-driven anomalies from aerial data, estimate energy loss per affected zone, and model the ROI of targeted cleaning versus site-wide cleaning versus no action. That means the question is no longer, does this look bad? The question becomes, what is this actually costing me? The agent doesn't just identify dirty spots. It quantifies their impact. It turns visual evidence into a decision model. Instead of arguing about whether it's worth it, your decision is backed by a number. Here's how it works in practice. First, aerial data is analyzed to find localized soiling patterns consistent with bird activity. Second, the system estimates how much energy each affected zone is losing. Third, it compares the cost of cleaning against the value of the recovered energy. Then it makes a recommendation. Clean the zones that justify the spend, skip the ones that don't, or hold off entirely if the ROI is not there. That last part matters. Not every visible stain is worth a maintenance visit. Some are expensive to chase and cheap to ignore. ClearSpot gives you the ability to tell the difference. Most teams still make localized soiling decisions from sentiment. A panel looks dirty, so someone says, clean it, or it doesn't look too bad, so they leave it alone. Visual impressions don't tell you whether the revenue recovery justifies the spend. A small number of heavily affected zones may be worth immediate action. A larger number of lightly affected zones may not. When cleaning decisions are driven by automated ROI analysis rather than visual impressions, you stop overcleaning clean zones and start targeting the ones where revenue recovery actually justifies the cost. That shift alone can change how a site spends its maintenance budget. At one site, bird droppings may look like a nuisance. Across many sites, the pattern becomes impossible to ignore. A few zones on each array can add up to a meaningful amount of loss generation when they persist for weeks. And if the cleaning response is always blanket-based, you're spending labor and water on zones that don't recover enough value to justify the pass. That's why automated ROI analysis matters. It creates consistency across a portfolio. Every site gets judged by the same rule. What is the expected financial return of cleaning this zone right now? ClearSpot takes the emotion out of the decision and replaces it with a repeatable framework. The workflow is straightforward. First, the site is inspected through aerial imagery. Second, ClearSpot agents identify localized soiling signatures and estimate the performance impact. Third, the system models the ROI of 3 options: targeted cleaning, site-wide cleaning, or no action. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot. Smart device, smarter decisions.